I found a boring business model that's making millionaires in 2025 and 2026. And I'm about to tell you something that's gonna piss off every AI guru and crypto bro on the internet right now. I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. In fact, I had my first $1,000 day when I was 21 years old and my first $2,600 day at 22. And I didn't do it by building some fancy AI app or creating the next ChatGPT competitor. I did it with the most boring business model you can imagine. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. Because here's what nobody wants to tell you. All these people telling you to build an AI SaaS product or how to create AI agents that will make you rich overnight, they're lying to you. Not because AI itself isn't powerful, it is, believe me, but because they're teaching you the wrong way to actually make money with it. They're teaching you to build products when you should be selling info or services for high profit margins. They're teaching you to be a tech founder when you should be really a service provider or a consultant. That's the difference between making $0 as a beginner, being stuck because you don't have this revolutionary AI idea, and making thousands of dollars a day without reinventing the wheel. So let me break down the actual truth about making money with AI in 2025 and 2026 for the average person. And I promise you, it's gonna sound so boring, you might want to click off this video. But if you stick with me, you're going to understand exactly why boring is what makes millionaires while everyone else is chasing shiny objects and going broke. Here's the first thing you need to understand. AI only becomes profitable when you pair it with a proven business model. Not as a standalone gimmick, not as some magic button that prints money for you. You need to get this through your head right now. AI businesses rarely make money on AI alone. What actually works is taking AI and applying it inside an existing revenue-generating business. Let me say that again because this is crucial. You take AI and you use it to make an existing proven offer or business better. You know what doesn't work? Spending 6 months learning to code, building some AI wrapper around ChatGPT's API, launching it on Product Hunt, getting 3 users, making $50 a month, then wondering why you're not rich yet. That's what 99% of people are trying to do right now. Or they're trying to resell some shitty $5 ChatGPT made ebooks. Some people are trying to invent the next AI app or software, but they're beginners, they're average people. And let's be completely honest here, 99% of people can't do that. You're not gonna be the next Sam Altman. You're not gonna build the next billion-dollar AI company. And you know what? The good news is you don't need to. You don't need to reinvent the wheel to get rich. What you need to do is to find a wheel that's already making money and put an AI engine in it. That's it. Take an offer that businesses already pay for, and then you can use AI to deliver it 10 times better, 10 times faster, 10 times cheaper for you. You keep the same price, you pocket the difference. Boom, just like that you're profitable. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. This leads me to the second thing. The millionaires being made in 2025 or 2026 aren't AI founders. They're not tech geniuses, they're service providers or consultants who understand AI as an operational advantage, not as a product. AI is your unfair advantage in delivering services or info products. It's not the service or the product itself. The boring model that's actually working right now is stupidly simple. You identify a painful problem that someone has, a problem they're willing to pay to solve. You sell them a high-ticket solution to that problem. Then you use AI to deliver that solution better, cheaper, and faster than your competitors can. That's it. And it's making way more people millionaires quicker while everyone else is trying to build the next viral AI chatbot or whatever, and they stay broke because that's a level 10 out of 10 in terms of difficulty. Think about it. A business owner doesn't care about your AI. They don't care about what technology you use. They don't care about your fancy algorithms or whatever. You know what they care about? Getting results. They care about getting more customers, making more money, saving time, reducing costs, solving their problems. If you can solve their problem better than anyone else, they'll pay you. And if you're using AI behind the scenes to deliver the solution, they don't need to know. They don't care, they just want the result. That's all that matters. So what does this actually look like in practice? Let me give you some real examples. You could be selling content creation services. You could be writing blog posts, creating social media content, making video scripts, Businesses pay thousands for this every single month. Now, you use AI to help you research, to draft content, to optimize it. What used to take you 20 hours a week now only takes you 3, and you charge the same price, you make the same money, but you can take on 5 more clients. Do you see how that works? If you want to become a millionaire, or at the very least, make $10,000 a month consistently with or without AI, you need to sell high-ticket consulting or services. You can charge between $1,000 all the way to $10,000 and even more per client, but that's the average. At high-ticket prices, you have the margin to deliver incredible value. And the AI lets you deliver that value without spending hundreds of hours doing it manually. Let me show you exactly how I'm using AI in my business right now every single day. I use it to write content and scripts in minutes instead of hours. I feed it my ideas, my voice, my style, and it helps me to create my content way faster than I ever could alone. Like I remember in the past, I would spend like 5 hours writing a script. Now it only takes me half an hour. I use it to analyze industries, understand customer pain points, identify opportunities. All that stuff used to require hiring expensive researchers or spending weeks doing manual research. I'm also using AI to talk to prospects and do appointment setting. I will also use it to help me get better at sales by role-playing sales calls. I literally practice my pitch with ChatGPT. I'll have it play the role of a skeptical prospect. It'll throw objections at me. It'll challenge my positioning. And I get better at selling because of it, or thanks to it. I use AIs like ChatGPT to help me think, to help me solve problems, to help me make decisions. For example, I'll tell it the problem I'm dealing with, or the idea I've got, and we'll analyze it together. We'll look at the pros and the cons. We'll identify the flaws in my thinking. We'll explore different angles I haven't considered before. So it's kind of like having a business partner who's available 24/7 and knows everything about everything because it can look it up. That's the power of AI, not as a product to sell, but as a tool that makes you 10 times more effective at delivering consulting or services people already want to buy. That's the difference. That's what separates the people making money with AI from the people going broke trying to build the next AI startup, even though they have zero business experience or startup capital. Like, come on. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Look, the boring stuff is what makes people millionaires. It's not some secret new hype method. It's not some underground strategy that nobody knows about. It's literally solving a painful problem for a business or a person and charging a premium for it. Between $1,000 to $10,000. That's all. You know what's not making people rich? Trying to sell AI chatbots for $29 a month. Trying to compete with billion-dollar companies. Trying to build the next unicorn startup. Trying to go viral with some AI gimmicks. None of that stuff actually works. You know what does work? Finding a business owner or a person who's got a problem that's costing them time, money, or sanity, offering to solve that problem for them, and charging them between $1,000 all the way to $10,000. And especially if you sell services, you can use AI to deliver the service in a fraction of the time that it would take before without the AI. So it's boring, it's not sexy. You're not gonna get a TechCrunch article written about you. You're not gonna be on stage at some AI conference. But you know what you will have? Money, actual profit. Thousands of dollars hitting your bank account every week, the ability to work from anywhere in the world, the freedom to build the life you actually want. I'm telling you this because I've done it. I've pretty much tried every business model on the internet, and I've made my money selling services and high-ticket consulting, solving real problems for real businesses and people. And AI has made me so much more efficient, so much more profitable, and so much more scalable. And I know this isn't what you wanted to hear. You wanted some shortcut, some hack. You wanted me to show you how to build some bullshit AI ebook and sell it, some secret AI method. But the truth is, the shortcut is doing the boring stuff that works. The hack is using AI to make proven business models more profitable or do the work quicker. The secret is that there is no secret. Just solve expensive problems, charge premium prices, and then use AI to deliver faster and better. Repeat. That's how you actually get rich with AI, not by building the next ChatGPT, but by using ChatGPT to build a real profitable consulting or service business. If you'd like me to show you everything I did step by step to make thousands of dollars a day in profit with my business, I made a free training where I'm going to reveal the 3 keys you need to make this work. The link is in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you implement everything step by step so you can get your first customers ASAP and be able to go all in and quit your 9 to 5. But be quick, we've got very limited spots. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.